Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. Clitoris in mammals is homologous to penis, analogous to penis, functional penis in females, non-functional penis in males. Clitoris in mammals is. Correct answer is option A. It is a homologous structure to penis. Question number 2. Stroma is a term applied to ovarian follicle, gallstones, connective tissue surrounding the seminiferous tubule, connective tissue in which the Graafian follicles are embedded. Stroma is a term applied to. Correct answer is option D. Connective tissue in which the Graafian follicles are embedded. Question number 3. Sertoli cells in human testis are found in seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells, outside seminiferous tubules, or option D, none of these. Sertoli cells are found in human testis are found in. Correct answer is option A. It is found within the seminiferous tubules. Question number 4. Cooper's gland are present in female mammals, male mammals, both male and female, or option D, none of these. Cooper's glands are found in. Correct answer is option A. It is found in male. Question number 5. Which cell in testis secretes testosterone? Leydig cells, cells of germinal epithelium, Sertoli cells, or secondary spermatocyte? Cells which secrete testosterone. Correct answer is option A. That is, Leydig cells secrete testosterone. Question number 6. Failure of descending testis into scrotum is known as impotence, cryptorchidism, castration, or pedogenesis. Failure of descending testis into the scrotum is known as. Correct answer is option B, cryptorchidism. Question number 7. An atretic follicle is also known as corpus albicans, that follicle which fails to mature and degenerates, that follicle which has released the ovum, or option D, none of these. An atretic follicle is. Correct answer is option B. It refers to that follicle which fails to mature and degenerates. Question number 8. Precocious puberty is puberty attained after the normal age, puberty attained before the normal age, puberty attained at the normal age, or option D, none of these. Precocious puberty refers to. Correct answer is option B. It refers to puberty which is attained before the normal age. Question number 9. Majority of mammalian spermatozoa acquire capacitation in female reproductive tract, male reproductive tract, seminal vesicle, epididymis. Majority of mammalian spermatozoa acquire capacitation in. Correct answer is option A, that is female reproductive tract. Question number 10. Which hormone is required for development of primary oocyte into mature Graafian follicle? Hormone required for development of primary oocyte into mature Graafian follicle. FSH, LH, FSH releasing hormone, LH releasing hormone. Correct answer is option A, that is FSH, or follicle stimulating hormone. Question number 11. Release of ovum is facilitated by oxytocin, follicotropin, luteinizing hormone, progesterone. Release of ovum is facilitated by. Correct answer is option C, luteinizing hormone. Question number 12. After fertilization, the cleaving egg of mammal is implanted on uterine endometrium on which day? 14th day, 7th day, 35th day, or 28th day? After fertilization, the cleaving egg of the mammal is implanted on the uterine endometrium on day Correct answer is option B. It is implanted on the 7th day after fertilization. Question number 13. Fimbriated funnel-shaped structure is a constituent of uterus, cervix, fallopian tube or vagina. Fimbriated funnel-shaped structure is a constituent of. Correct answer is option C, fallopian tube. And what is the function of the fimbriated funnel-shaped structure? Right, to catch the ovum which is released by the ovary. Question number 14. Mark the incorrect statement. LH concentration is highest at ovulation time. Ovulation in human female occurs around day 14th. Graafian follicle is transformed into corpus albicans. Oral contraceptives contain progesterone. Out of these 4 statements, one statement is incorrect. You have to mark which one is incorrect. Correct answer is option C is incorrect. Graafian follicle is transformed into corpus luteum and not corpus albicans. Question number 15. Mark the correct statement. Scrotal temperature is less than the body temperature. Cryptorchidism is helpful in spermatogenesis. Androgenesis is seen in seminiferous tubules. Mature spermatozoa is stored in seminal vesicles. Mark the correct statement. Correct answer is option A. Scrotal temperature is less than the body temperature. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.